Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your USAA insurance card to Apple Wallet. If you're a USAA member, keeping your insurance card handy on your iPhone can make life a lot easier. Instead of digging through your email or your glove box for a paper card, you'll be able to pull it up instantly right from your Apple Wallet. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're using an iPhone. Open the App Store and search for an app called Pass2U Wallet. This app lets you create custom cards and add them directly into Apple Wallet. Go ahead and download it to your device. Once it's installed, open the app. In the search bar, type USAA and you'll see different templates available for USAA insurance cards. These templates are designed so you can create a digital version of your physical insurance card. Scroll through the templates and pick one that you like. For example, you might choose a clean, simple design or one that has more detail. Once you've selected your preferred template, tap on Next to continue. Now, you'll be asked to enter your insurance details. This includes your name, your policy number, your coverage number, the effective date, and any other details shown on your physical USAA insurance card. Take your time and make sure everything is correct, because these details are what will appear on your digital card inside Apple Wallet. After you've entered all of the required information, tap on Done. The app will then generate a preview of your digital card so you can check how it looks. Review everything carefully. Double check your numbers, dates, and spelling. If everything looks good, tap Add. At this point, your USAA insurance card will be added to Apple Wallet. To confirm, go back to your iPhone's Apple Wallet app and you should now see the card appear alongside your other passes and payment cards. Tap it to open and you'll see all your policy details ready to show anytime you need them. This is especially useful if you get pulled over, need to prove insurance, or want quick access without carrying paper copies. It's secure, convenient, and saves you time. And that's all there is to it. Just a few simple steps and your USAA insurance card is now stored safely in your Apple Wallet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more easy to follow tech and insurance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.